With Tesla built-in ovens, perfect cooking results are always easy to reach. Let's see what makes this one particularly useful. This device is elegantly designed, created to make your cooking adventures simpler than ever. In order to select the desired setting, simply press the pop-up knob and turn it. And then you're all set to go. Whatever you enjoy making, this Tesla oven is your trustworthy kitchen partner. For example, if you're a cake lover, it's easy to bake a delicious dessert with our 3D feature, which makes the oven temperature spread quickly and evenly. Or, if you like grilling meat and veggies, we've added the high and low grill option, so you can adjust the grill's intensity level as you see fit. And because no one enjoys cleaning, here's an easy solution. Simply pour 2 glasses of water into a large pan and turn the oven on to 70 degrees Celsius for half an hour. Enjoy your meal!